Hello friends, in today's video we are going to be planting two of my favorite veggies, and that is kale and broccoli. It's raining and it's also cold outside. We're still not out of our freezing temps here in Georgia. And you may be wondering, why are you going to be gardening, or how are you going to be gardening? I'm going to show you how. We're going to be able to garden inside, away from the rain and cold weather, because we're going to be using Vego Garden's indoor gardening system. So I've got some unboxing to do and some setup to begin. So let's get started. Ooh, let me get some gloves. Awesome. Okay, so here's our manual. I think I got the smallest one because I have a small space. If you're not new here, then you haven't heard me say that many a time, but it is the truth. We got a small space we're working with here, and that's okay because you don't have to have a large space to get some gardening in, and that's what's so amazing about this. Okay, so it looks like one of our shelving units here, and then I believe this is our lighting in here based off of the weight. I'm sure it is. Oh, it's the wheels. Okay, so let's put this to the side for now. We'll just keep getting everything out and then start. Oh my goodness, look at that. Love this. I was so excited to get it out of the box that I didn't even share with you what it is that I was unboxing, and that is the 2-tier grow light garden. It's gonna fit perfectly in our small space. It's also excellent for a balcony or patio type of space, and I do have one of those, but like I've already mentioned, it is still cold outside, and I think our freezing temperatures are slowly going away, but I'm very excited to have an indoor spot to do my gardening, and it is going to be right behind me here next to our saltwater tank. As a houseplant lover, I am not new to growing things indoors. However, when it comes to seedlings and things that I either plan to eat or put outside, I have never done. And so I was a little bit hesitant to start something like this because I still feel like a beginner. And I'm pleased to report that this is absolutely something that any beginner can do. I think it's only natural to feel hesitant to put something together or build something, grow something when you've never done it before. And this was very simple to put together. And because both of my small children were occupied at the time, it only took me about 30 minutes to complete. I think oftentimes when we think of growing things indoors, we picture the very industrial looking shelving units and lighting. But this is not like that at all. It is designed to feel like it's a part of your home and not just some equipment that you're wanting to hide. It's sleek, it's got a modern aesthetic, and it really lets the plants be the stars of the show. Excuse me while I play with these gloves a little bit. I did see that there are sharp edges, so they suggest that you protect your hands. I was finding it a little bit difficult to put in the screws with the gloves on, so I removed them and just made sure I was extra careful with what I was doing. I like the fact that it doesn't have the metal wire racks, and something about the lighting is especially important. It is so easy to use because I think that's another aspect that can be daunting for those of us that have not really messed with that in terms of indoor gardening. And you'll see here in a minute where I show how easily it attaches to the system. And it's a full spectrum white LED that mimics natural sunlight. It balances blue light for strong leafy growth, red light for bigger harvests. So your plants get what they need at every stage, and you get that warm, homey glow instead of any harsh lighting. And it's also smart. So there's 5 different intelligent growth modes. You just choose one, and the system is automatically going to adjust the intensity and the duration to match your plant's needs. So you don't have to fiddle with any timers, you don't have to guess, and the lights even have an automatic night cycle and built-in sleep mode. You just hold the button for 3 seconds and it's going to power down for 8 hours. So it's like a little snooze button for your garden. It's also completely modular and adjustable. The magnetic grow lights can shift up or down as your plants grow with a 20-degree adjustable angle so you can direct light exactly where it's needed. The trays are removable and height adjustable, perfectly sized for 10-20 seed trays, and designed for easy bottom watering, which I am excited about because they also have a no spill shelf, so you can double as a watering tray with the built-in edges to catch any excess water so the floor can stay clean. As long as I'm watering, that is. We know if I have the little ones help, that may not be the case, but that's okay. We're quite used to that around here. You can even use the trays as a potting station or a plant display, so it's functional and beautiful. A quick setup, no DIY experience required. You're just going to assemble it, attach the lights, plug it in, and you can start growing. And we're ready to get that growing started with the standard 1020 Germination Cell Bundle. And this all-in-one bundle is going to create the ideal environment for seedlings. These seedling trays give roots space to develop, while the dome is going to leave room for our sprouts to rise toward the light. You also have sliding vents on the dome to let you control moisture and airflow so you can create that ideal environment for germination. There are also side slits in each of the cells, so that's going to expose the roots to air, and it will prune them naturally to encourage healthier root systems and prevent circling. And I've already mentioned the mess-free watering that you can do because of the watering tray, but there are also drip lids, so you can add water to the drip irrigation lid and cover or add to the bottom, but you can cover it with the humidity dome and lock in that moisture. We're planting our broccoli on the left side of the tray and our kale on the right. I'm going to use one of my favorite DIYs for garden markers, painting some rocks, and that's how we're going to identify the broccoli from the kale. You're going to see a much smaller hand popping in, and that is one of my trusty helpers here to plant some seeds. Children get excited about growing things, and we should too. I think for most of us that are into this hobby or into this as a lifestyle, you understand the excitement, but seeing it again through your children's eyes really does just put it into the perspective of how truly wonderful gardening is. I'd love to know how many of you are familiar with seed starting, whether it be indoors or in a greenhouse. And if you have any tips or tricks for us, please feel free to share them in the comments below. Now that we've got everything set up, we're going to complete our project by doing our DIY garden markers. All you're going to need are some smooth stones and some paint pens. I've got mine from Amazon, and these have lasted quite a while. You'll see in just a second though, my black is running out, and I didn't realize this until the moment I started writing with it. So I will need to re-up on my paint pen set, but these are great. They've worked for me maybe about 2 years now, so it's about time to replace them. And then I do recommend spraying over this with a clear coat. Even though these are going to be inside, I am still going to be watering everything, so I just want to make sure that the paint doesn't run. I may end up placing this broccoli rock for a smaller one, but for now it will do. So let's go ahead and place our garden markers in, and we're ready to bring this all together.
until I get another tray to grow some more seedlings, which I absolutely intend to do. I'm going to use this bottom shelf to house some supplies. And here's a closer look at one of our lights and the options available for lighting. We're going to be using the seeds setting. That way we can get those seedlings going.
Thank you to Vego Garden for sponsoring today's video. And if you're interested in gardening made easy, anytime, anywhere, be sure to check out my description box where I'm going to have all of the information listed and also how to save some money by using a discount code. I'll also leave that information in a pinned comment so you can see it there under the comments as well. We're in the very early stages of this growing, so I plan to share the germination process, hardening, and putting these little lovely plants into the ground. And if you would like to join me on that journey, be sure to subscribe so you can follow along. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I'll see you next time.